Hi everybody, Andrew Majewski here again with Epicure. So how are you preparing for the Epicure full launch in August for the USA? So we have pre-launched, meaning if you have signed up, you have been sent your kit. You can start looking through everything, which is so exciting because it's a big kit. I love it. I wish I could order it for myself. The kit's awesome. But you can sort of start looking through everything. Make sure to look through your back office online, read your consultant contract, just read through things, look at all of the marketing images we have to offer, just look through all of the products, just look through things, okay? At nighttime, just take an extra half an hour and just kind of read our labels on different products so that if a customer comes to you and says that they can't have salt at all, what products can they have? You can say, oh, how about this one, and this one? We have amazing resources for you to look at. So make sure to do that. Absolutely. Now, another thing to really start to do is, I suggest, start having cooking classes. So as soon as you get your kit, start putting that kit to good use. Even something as simple as inviting your mom and sister over for lunch. Make everything with Epicure, or even just have everything laid out. Have your sister make the dessert, show her how. Have your mom help you make some chicken fajitas in our steamer, show them all of the different seasonings, spices, leave out catalogs for them to just kind of have a look at. That's how things start. Tell people who you are close to. Say, hey, I have started this business with Epicure that allows me to share healthy eating with you. I would be happy to come over and just sort of share what I have learned. Let me teach you how to make rice in our steamer in like 10 minutes instead of waiting for an hour on the stove, having it burn. Let me just show you different things. It doesn't have to be sell, 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 sell. Like, hey guys, he wants to host a cooking class with me. Let me sell you some Epicure. It doesn't have to be like that. Just simply sharing opens things up, because I guarantee you, if you invite your sister and your mom over for lunch, they will go, oh wow, this is really good. They will say to you, oh, what's that big purple thing that you're putting the chicken into? Oh wait, you're putting it in the microwave? You don't cook chicken in the microwave. Actually, mom or sister or whoever, yes, I do. These are our Epicure steamers. Let me show you how this raw chicken will be cooked in like 10 minutes. Take it out, show them, have them taste it, and they'll go, oh my God, this is the best chicken I've ever had. I need one of those. You aren't even selling anything on purpose. Did you say to your mom, hey, well, this multi-purpose steamer is $50. Here, let me write down the order for you. I would love to have you order it, and then you'll have it within a week, or whenever, right? You're not even selling it like that. You're just simply showing her how it works. And she's saying to you, how do you cook chicken in the microwave? Honey, you're not supposed to do that. She tries it. Oh my God, this is so good. I need one of these steamers. Order me one. That's how it happens. That seasoning you're putting on the chicken, she'll say, oh my God, the seasoning is so good. This is from Epicure too. Order me some of that. It's how it works. She will go to work on Monday. Everybody will be asking everybody how their weekend was. Oh, well, I went to my daughter's for lunch and she cooked chicken in this steamer thing for 10 minutes. It was the best chicken I have ever had. People will go, what's a steamer thing? Oh, she cooked chicken. Wait, in the microwave? How does that work? Give your mom catalogs. Give your sister catalogs. Oh, here, I just happen to have a catalog in my purse. She said it's on page 25. Here, look at that. That's how you start spreading the word, because once she talks to her coworkers, they will say, oh my God, that sounds so cool. And then your mom will say, hey, well, why don't I get my steamer in about a week. Why don't you all come over for dinner and I'll make you chicken fajitas? I don't know. things will probably not go like that, but you get the idea, right? Sharing your love of Epicure works. Even just cooking it, using things at home, your husband, your daughter, son, everybody will be like, oh my God, mom, this this food is so good, you know, and that makes you feel good too. With Epicure, things are just so much, takes less time. Things don't take an hour to prep, an hour to cook. Every seasoning you purchase, you will say, oh my God, wow, this is so good. You will want more. You will want to share more. If you're having potlucks, bring Epicure. People will ask you, what's the recipe? So share, share, share. That's the best way to start preparing for the launch, because as you guys know, the company gives you 3 months to hold some amazing cooking classes. The more cooking classes you have, the more you obviously sell. You are happy because you are making commission, but they will also give you things on top of that. And if you're able to hold a certain amount of cooking classes, you will get the money that you paid for your kit back into your account. So it's like this big kit with like 400 and something worth of products is free. So I don't know, it's just exciting to have kind of little challenges like that. If it doesn't work for you, it doesn't work for you. No pressure. But I get a lot of questions of how can I start to prepare for this launch? Like, I don't know what to do. Start sharing your love of Epicure. Use your kit. Make everything, make different things. Look on the Epicure website for recipes. Make everything that's in your kit and then some. And that's the way you are sharing Epicure. So I hope this helps you guys. If you have not signed up yet, let me know. Send me a message. I do have a link for my Epicure USA and Canada training page on the bottom. Have a look. Send me a message. I can help you, because it doesn't matter if you live near me. I'm in Canada, but most of my teammates is from the US at this point. I have like Canada, US, it doesn't matter. We have our own chat group online. We can talk, we can see each other. It's awesome. So it's a lot of fun. So let's just share our love for Epicure. Let's learn how to eat a lot healthier, cheaper, quicker. Who doesn't love to eat, and who doesn't love to cook, right? So why not make things easy for everybody? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.